So welcome to Tech Talk Uganda. So I'm going to be making a video about computer hardware, basics of computer hardware, and I'm going to be using this machine, this laptop that we have here. It's an HP ProBook 6460B, and it's not a new machine, but I'm going to be using that, and this is how it looks. So if you want to know about specifications, laptop specifications, computer specifications, and I'm going to be trying to modify this laptop as possible, and by the end of the playlist, I'm going to make a playlist. By the end of the series of those videos, we will know about different things about laptops and computers. This series are intended for absolute beginners, people with no knowledge about basic computer specifications. This video is for you. You can share to your friends. So now I showed you simple steps like how to remove a battery and how to open that, and which part is which, what does it mean, what should you touch, what should you not touch, what should you do with what, where do you get what. I'm going to be taking you to trips to town, show you different shops that can. So if that's you can subscribe to this channel and check out those videos, like them and share them with friends who may be like you, who may find these videos useful. That's it. Thank you for watching and keep safe.